Yeah! Welcome back to Chef Super Chido. What do we have on that title? Sausage with an omelet. Or omelet with a sausage. I don't know. You pick. Doesn't matter. Well, very basic. It's easy. Some in the morning when you're just really hungry and, you don't want to go out to eat, which is very expensive to go out to eat now. Better eat at home. Well, that being said, watch and learn and don't get burned. For our sausage, we're going to use Adele's or Adel's bacon and pineapple sausage. For our vegetables, we're going to start with one bell pepper, one small bell pepper. That's it. And then slice and dice. Now we're going to use a handful of mushrooms. Slice them up and dice them up. Now for our tomatoes, we're only using one unless you're making for multiple people. So in this case, we just slice and dice as always. And for our onions, we're using 1/4 of a medium onion. And again, slice and dice a little square. Or whatever other shape, as long as it's small. For our pan, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of butter. And as always, put in our vegetables. Always put in the onions first. Once they're clear, see-through, then we put in the rest of our vegetables. Well, the next one anyways. Look at how slow the water's coming out. And for our seasoning, my favorite one, Flavor God, Everything Seasoning, and Kinder's Red Garlic. That's it. Mix it all up. Add a little bit of water, just so it'll pick up the flavor. Mix all that up and ready for our next step. Now for our egg, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of butter. And look how slow this moves. We're going to let this simmer for a few minutes so we can flip it. Now time to put in our vegetables and our cheese. We're gonna heat this on each side for 4 minutes to 3 minutes each side. While that's being done, we're gonna throw in our pineapple bacon sausage. I like mine on the grill. However you wanna cook it is up to you. Inside the house, on the grill, griddle, hey, the choice is yours. And just like that, we're back. What do we have? What I say? Check it out. Look at that. Oh boy. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Well, let's get down to it. This right here is pineapple and bacon sausage. Very good. Even though it's basic, but it ain't basic with me. It's delicious. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Yes, it is. Well, I don't want to take too much of your time today. This is just a very fast and easy video. So I'm glad you watched, you burned. You didn't get burned and you learned. Let's try that over again. You watched, you learned, and you didn't get burned.